Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video we're going to be filming my Allure Beauty box unboxing for July 2020. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we do, if you are not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you have not yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do appreciate it. And if you have any comments while you're watching, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below. All right, let's go ahead and open up the box. This is what it looks like. The card did fall out with the cover. So there is a little card here with a beautiful person on the front. So let's go ahead and open it up, and that is what is inside. So let's go ahead. The card, or the little book, does have a description of all of the items in it, so we'll be referring to that as we go. But I'm going to go ahead and start pulling these items out and telling you what I got. So this is the first thing. It's from Peach and Lily. It's the Glass Skin Refining Serum, Luminous and Translucent Peach Extract and Peptide Complex. I just pretty much read to you the entire front of the box. Yeah. So that is what that looks like, and I'm going to let you know what the book says about it. This is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. If you run a Google image search on glass skin, your screen will be flooded with pictures of complexions so glowy they're almost reflective. That seemed a tall order for me, a person whose skin has a sheen more like aluminum foil than glass. But I'm pleased to report that this serum has given my stressed-looking complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect, thanks to hyaluronic acid in the blend. My skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral for its reflective power, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has in a while, and I'll take that over regrams any day. From Diana Mazzone, Senior Beauty Editor, price is $39. You can get it at peachandlily.com. Enter Allure10 at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase from July 1st through September 30th. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this out and show it to you. Oh, the lid is loose. Maybe? Oh no, it just pops out. Okay. So it's a pump. So I was going to try to see if there's any scent to it, because I was hoping it would smell like peaches, but I'm not going to go ahead and get any out right now. So that is the first thing in my Allure box. All right, let's go to the next item. This is the only item I think that is like makeup related. Everything else is skincare, which I'll talk about that in a little bit. This is from Butanique Beauty. It is the Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. So it's in a little box right there. Let's go ahead and get it out. It says how to use. Apply to cheeks, lips, or eyelids and diffuse using the warmth of fingertips for natural radiant color. Sweep on for a subtle sheen or build up for a more intense effect. Alright, so it's in a little tub. It is sealed, and it is just like a peachy shade, it looks like. I'm not going to go ahead and open that because I might end up just giving this away to one of you guys. It says it's peach, so that's the second thing now that's peach. I don't know, but it says peach blush on it. Alright, so this says it's the Butanique Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It can make everything better in seconds. That is, if you find the right formula and apply it strategically so skin appears sun-kissed, not sunburned. When I apply this Butanique balm to my cheekbones and outward to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my fair skin as if I've spent the day at the beach without all the UV exposure. I also layer the sheer but buildable formula on my lips. The long list of moisturizing oils, apricot, coconut, grapeseed, and pomegranate, keeps my lips soft, never sticky. To finish, I apply the tint across my eyelids for a subtle wink of color. For those of you keeping track, that's a full monochromatic makeup look using just one product. No matter where you decide to put this balm, the result is the same, a fresh, hydrated flush. That's from Paige Stables Beauty Editor. Price is $16. You can buy it at butaniquebeauty.com, and if you enter Allure25 at checkout, you receive 5% off of your purchase from July 1st through August 31st. All right. Let's see, I do have a little card here that came along with that Peach and Lily product. It's a card. Okay. I got this. I don't know that this is one of my items. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's not. Okay, it's actually on the back of the book, which means it's kind of like a bonus. This is an acne cover patch. Stay clear of acne, covers blemishes invisibly. So they're just like little dots. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're just little dots that you can put over over a little blemish or something like that. So, okay. I do get blemishes, especially on my chin. So moving on, now let's go ahead and get this right here. I've gotten this before, so I think I'm just gonna put this in my giveaway. This is the Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. Let's see if I can find it in my book and not, you know, get too distracted. All right. The Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. My skin tends to be fickle and prone to irritation. If you just heard that growl, it was my dog. We're getting a thunderstorm here. We're actually getting a lot of thunder. And my little dog, I have 2 dogs. My little dog is actually sitting at the window right now and she's growling at the thunder. So it's cute. If you like dogs, it's cute. I think it's cute. She's adorable. Anyway, my skin tends to be fickle and prone to irritation, especially lately. Perhaps it's all the pandemic-related stress manifesting on my face. In the past couple of months, I've experienced an inexplicable mixture of dry spots and oily patches, mere centimeters away from each other. I'm also dealing with redness unlike anything I've had before. This gel cream is what I'm using to manage it all. The formula includes Dr. Jart's signature tiger grass, which helps with inflammation. And because the gel cream has been hydrating my dry patches without over moisturizing oily spots, it becomes a twice-a-day essential for calming my skin. You can get it at us.drjart.com, and the price is $48 for the full size. That's obviously not the full size. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Oh, you could have gotten that or something else. You could have gotten that or the Dr. Jart Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen. Okay. This is the next item in here. It is from Lapis. It's the Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. So it's a charcoal mask. All right, so Lapis Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. A lot of charcoal detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. They're often too much for my skin, but this is the rare one that I don't have to follow with hyaluronic acid. This sheet mask pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients, salicylic acid and tea tree oil, with hydrating ones, sodium hyaluronate. After peeling it off, the pores on my nose, which seemed to be perpetually packed with dirt, were barely visible. My complexion looked brighter and my face felt hydrated, not parched. And it's $3. You can get it at lapcosusa.com. Enter charcoal pad at checkout to receive a free charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad with your purchase from July 1st through August 31st. All right, I've got one more item in here, and it is the OC Ocean Cleanser. That is what it looks like. Maybe I should turn it that way. All right, so the OC Ocean Cleanser. My skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave my face uncomfortably tight, red, and in need of a thick moisturizer. That's what it looks like. It's kind of cute. Let's see what it smells like. I'm not done reading, sorry. Ooh, it smells interesting. I don't know what that smell is. Does it say? Does it tell me? Let's see. But I've also got new oily patches on my chin and forehead that need something stronger than my usual cleansing routine. So I gave OC Ocean Cleanser with a mix of hydrating and clarifying oils a go. It neutralized oil on my T-zone, hydrated my dry cheeks, and left my skin glowing. It contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliator. I loved how the gel melted into a silky foam and had a refreshing citrusy scent. It definitely smells citrusy. And its cooling sensation was much appreciated after a sweaty run or a long, stuffy day in front of my laptop. From Taylor Shea, Editorial Business Manager, $48 for the full size. It's ocmalibu.com. Enter Allure 15 at checkout to receive $15 off your order of $90 or more. I'm going to smell it again. Yeah, it smells good, and it's a nice size for like a travel size. It's 0.6 ounces, so that's a nice travel size cleanser. All right, let's go back through the items I got in my box, and then let's talk about what I think about it this month. This is the OC Ocean Cleanser, the Charcoal Mask, the Lip and Cheek Balm from Beautinique, the Dr. Jart Cicapair, and the Glass Skin Refining Serum. So literally, like, everything is skincare. Oh, I got the acne cover patch as well. So I like a mix of skincare and beauty makeup stuff. I would be much happier if this was like 3 skincare and 2 makeup. That would make me even much happier. Right now I'm a little disappointed in the box because it is so much skincare. it just seems like the beauty boxes are becoming more and more skincare focused, and I don't know if it's just they're not able to get makeup products anymore. I don't know, but it's a little frustrating. Overall, is the box bad? No, it's not bad. It's $15 a month plus tax. I think I pay $15.90 a month for it, so it's not terrible. It's you know, a decent box. If you only are getting one box, personally, I would go with the Ipsy Original because it's like $12, and I think it has more of a better mix than this. But the Allure box is typically a pretty good box. So that's going to be it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated down below. If you have not yet and you would like to, please hit subscribe. I really, really appreciate it if you would. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!